What's up, sneakerheads? I'm Ashley Simone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. If you are new to my channel, I'm going to ask that you hit that subscribe button right up here. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today I am coming with another Bigfoot Girl sneaker review. Today the sneaker I'm reviewing is going to be the women's Air Jordan 1 Lightbulbs. I'll be giving you guys an official unboxing. I'll be giving you an on-foot look, and of course I'll be giving you the review of the sneaker. So these were released on April 9th, 2020. I did happen to get my hands on a pair on that date, the release date. I bought mine from a sneaker store in Quebec, and I got them in the mail on April 20th. 2020. It took forever, but I'm just so happy now that I got these in hand and that I could do a review for you guys. So as usual, I got my regular size. I got a women's size 11 or men's 9.5. I got these for retail price, and I do believe I paid 165 Canadian dollars for these. It was about 15 bucks for shipping. So what I really love about this sneaker is this bright appearance that it has. It has so many different colors. It's eye-popping. When you wear them, I feel like it's a sneaker that when people see you in them, their eyes will automatically just go to your sneakers. They remind me of my favorite Pixar movie, Toy Story. This green, this purple, even the blue a little bit, it reminds me of the character Buzz Lightyear. I also love how it has this kind of mismatched look. So the materials that this sneaker is composed of is leather, patent leather, suede, and nubuck. So recently I've been doing more research and educating myself more on different materials. And what I gathered is that suede and nubuck are both types of leather, but suede is more smooth and cleaner looking, whereas nubuck is more rough and not perfect. It has these imperfections, and it is more of a cost than suede is. So let's get into the colorway of the sneaker. So right here on the toe and on the side panels, you got white leather. The lace stays and the Nike swoosh, they are a patent leather. The blue color, I do believe, is called laser blue, and then this is just black. So those are patent leather. The toe cap is this, I think it's Volt or Illusion green. And then also the Opti yellow on the heel. These are suede, a suede material. See the toe there. And you can see the leather types. So the regular leather and then the patent leather. The collar of the sneaker is nubuck. It is purple nebula and gym red. And then you've also got the black Air Jordan Wings logo to contrast against that purple. Looks good. What else can I say? The tongue is a woven mesh material and it's called Lightbulb. To me, it looks like a yellowish beige mixture. Give you guys a look. And then obviously it has that Air Jumpman logo as well. Then on the sides, it has this red stitched zigzag. I like that. Gives it kind of a distressed look. Got there. In there. Pretty dope. The outer sole is white. The bottom of the sole is black. And on the inside is black. And it has that, white Jumpman logo. So this sneaker, it also came with lace locks, which are these. And it's a black lace lock with the silver Jumpman logo. I've never had lace locks, I don't think, on most of my sneakers. Not many of my sneakers have lace locks. And then the sneakers also came with these laces. It came with 3 pairs of laces actually. So it came with the flat black ones, it came with the flat white ones, and then it came with these round purple and yellow ones. So 3 pairs of laces for these sneakers. So this is my first pair of women's Air Jordan 1s. Although these can be worn unisex, I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the sneaker. I'm impressed with how it looks, how it was constructed, the materials, the colors. I'm impressed that it came with 3 different laces, different colors. I'm also even impressed that it came with the lace locks. I'm not sure if that's a thing with only the women's but you get your money's worth for this. So I'm going to give you guys an on-foot look of me wearing these sneakers. Check it out right now. Hope you guys enjoy it, and then we'll come back here and I'll wrap up the video. So holding them in my hand, these actually, to me, feel like they're a little heavier than my other pairs of Jordan 1s. But when I wear them, they feel the same. Yeah, I haven't worn them for an extended period of time yet, so I'm not sure how they're going to feel after an extended period of time wearing them, if they're going to hurt my feet, if they're not. But I would assume, just like all my other Air Jordan 1s, that they are pretty comfortable. And just like I say in every single one of my Air Jordan 1 sneaker reviews, that I do whatever it takes to prevent toe creasing. I hope you like this review. I'm going to ask that you subscribe to my channel right here. I'm going to ask that you like this video and share it. I'm going to ask that you go ahead, head over to Instagram, go to my page, follow me, like my posts. It's Asha Simone _ I will put it either here or here. Go check out my Instagram, Asha Simone _ I'll see you guys in the next sneaker review. Peace and love.